This week in science and technology has been nothing short of remarkable. In AI and robotics, researchers are enhancing algorithms to make decisions that are not just binary but nuanced, paving the way for fairer AI systems. Meanwhile, a new washbasin-cleaning robot is showcasing impressive human-like flexibility, hinting at a future where automated cleaning can tackle complex environments with ease. In green technology, the aviation industry is making strides towards sustainability by adapting jet engines to run on hydrogen fuel. This is a crucial step for eco-friendly air travel. Additionally, advancements in carbon capture technology are emerging, with a new electrochemical process that regenerates carbon from bicarbonates, helping to reduce industrial carbon footprints. On the front lines of disaster management, a groundbreaking system called FireLock is revolutionizing wildfire detection. By utilizing smartphones in high-risk areas, it can map wildfires in seconds, significantly speeding up response times and potentially saving lives. In genetics, a newly identified gene has enabled diagnoses for 30 patients who had long been in the dark despite extensive testing. This breakthrough could unlock new pathways for genetic diagnostics, shedding light on medical mysteries and guiding future treatments. These innovations are a testament to our relentless pursuit of progress in AI, sustainability, disaster response, and health.